Welcome back to the class. Now, in this episode, we'll be looking at the stages involved in preparing a case analysis. That is, what are the stages that you have to take or you pass through before you can say you have analyzed the case. Now, one of these stages is for you to understand the story behind the case presented. Now, this is the most challenging part, and this is the reason why most students fail case study. And the reason is simple. Case study will always be presented in exhibit, in parts. Okay, it will be presented in part. You have series of exhibits that you have to bring together to understand the story. So students find it very difficult to understand ICANN case study story because the case is usually presented in exhibits, in different exhibits that sometimes they are related, and sometimes you just find out that you need to get the idea to link them together. So you need to be able to understand the story behind every case for you to be able to pass. It is until you understand this story that you'll be able to identify the problems in the story. Then you can say, yes, you want to analyze the problem or identify what what theoretical framework or model to be applied to the problem in the case. So we have seen that you need to understand the case, then it's until you understand the case that you can identify the problem. Now, the other stage is that you need to be able to analyze the issues in the context of a theoretical framework. Most of the times, ICANN will ask you to use a particular model, or you have to select the model or a theoretical framework you will use yourself. So you need to be able to analyze the problem with a particular theoretical framework. Now, the other stage is that you need to explore alternative solutions with reference to a theoretical framework. Then you choose the best solution. And the other part is you make recommendations for actionable recommendations. Now, the final part, which is the most important part, the most important part is what we know as report writing. Now, you have to present your analysis in a written report. And this is the whole essence of ICANN case study. You are expected to write a report and you submit the report. It's the report that will judge your understanding, or that will show your understanding of the case.